Thinking in English. Thinking in English is a crucial step in mastering the language. It involves immersing oneself in English to the point where thoughts naturally occur in the language rather than your native tongue. This shift can help you become more fluent and confident in both speaking and writing. One key to thinking in English is regular practice and exposure. Surround yourself with English through reading, listening, and conversing. The more you engage with the language, the more your brain adapts to it. Another effective technique is to start small by naming objects around you in English. For example, as you go about your day, mentally label items like chair, table, or book. Gradually, try forming simple sentences about what you are doing, such as I am eating breakfast or I am walking to the store. This habit strengthens your ability to recall words quickly, helping your brain think directly in English without translating. Visualization is another powerful tool. When you think about something, try imagining the scenario in English. For instance, if you are planning your day, think through your schedule in English. Picture yourself speaking to others, completing tasks, and navigating your environment using English phrases and expressions. Visualization connects your thoughts to the language and makes it easier to think in English in real-time situations. Finally, don't be afraid of mistakes. Thinking in English can feel challenging at first, but the goal is progress, not perfection. By practicing consistently, you'll begin to notice improvements in your ability to think and communicate in English. Remember, the more you practice, the faster English will become your natural mode of thinking. Subscribe to English Planet. Hit the bell icon for latest new